The timer starts at 60 minutes, and the pressure is immediately visible on the screen. It feels like a countdown to a blast off, or maybe a countdown to disappearing entirely. This is the reality of the modern hookup scene, specifically on the app that has everyone talking about anonymity and speed. Forget everything you know about the slow burn of digital romance. There are no long winded bios here, no lists of favorite movies or childhood dreams. It is a marketplace of the present moment. You put yourself out there, you set your parameters, and you wait for the pings to start hitting your phone. It is fast, it is loud, and it is unapologetically blunt. For a lot of people, this is exactly what they have been craving. They are tired of the endless swiping, the ghosting after 2 weeks of chatting, the feeling that they are auditioning for a role they don't even want. This app cuts through all of that noise. It gives you a short window to be seen, and then, poof, you are gone. The profile vanishes. The chat history is wiped. It is like a secret meeting in a crowded room, except the room is the entire city and everyone is wearing a mask. But that speed comes with a very specific kind of stress. If you are the type of person who likes to take things slow, who needs to know a person's last name before grabbing a drink, this will feel like a nightmare. It is chaotic by design. It forces you to make split-second decisions based on a vibe, a photo, and a few lines of text. There is a sense of urgency that can feel almost addictive. You find yourself watching the clock, wondering if the person you just started talking to is going to vanish before you can agree on a location. And speaking of locations, let's get serious about the safety side of this equation. Anonymity is a powerful thing. It allows for honesty. Sure, it lets people express desires they might be too shy to share otherwise, but it also acts as a shield for people who might not have the best intentions. You are stepping into a space where the guardrails are nearly non-existent. You have to be the one in charge of your own security. Don't share your home address. Don't give out your private phone number right away. Stick to the public spots, the places where there are witnesses and exits. Trusting your gut isn't just a suggestion here. It is a survival skill. If someone feels too pushy, or if their story doesn't add up, you have the ultimate power. You can just let the timer run out. You can walk away and know that they have no way of finding you again. That is the beauty and the terror of the whole system. It is a temporary bridge between two strangers. For some, that bridge leads to an amazing night. For others, it leads to a dead end. It is about managing expectations. If you go in looking for a soulmate, you are going to be disappointed. But if you go in looking for a flash of excitement, a brief human connection that doesn't leave a paper trail, then you might find exactly what you need. It is a fascinating look at where we are headed. A world where privacy and speed are the highest currencies. Just make sure you know the exchange rate before you start spending your time there. Every second counts. And once it is gone for good. You are trading your visibility for a chance at something immediate. It is high stakes. It is high energy. And it is definitely not for everyone. But in a world that never stops moving, maybe it makes sense that our connections have finally caught up to that same frantic pace. Just keep your eyes open and your heart guarded. Stay safe out there in the digital wild.